With the closure of the Bayview Isolation Facility early this morning, Gov Guam has opened an alternative lodging facility at the Garden Court in Tumon. Residents can make use of the ALTFAC if they meet the following criteria: proof of a positive COVID test no more than 24 hours prior to admission, are asymptomatic or with mild to moderate COVID symptoms and not in need of hospitalization. They must also be able to care for themselves. They share a residence with someone who is immune compromised or is at high risk for severe COVID illness, must not have close contact with family living in the residence in their initial infectious period, and if the patient is a minor, they must be accompanied by a parent, legal guardian, or authorized representative. Accompanying caretakers are recommended to receive a valid COVID-19 test upon admission with COVID-19 individual and again upon discharge. According to COVID-19 Incident Commander Fernando Esteves, admission to the ALTFAC will also be on a case-by-case basis.
It's going to be up to the containment team to make those determinations. Every situation is going to be evaluated specifically.
Esteves noted the decision to transition to a smaller isolation facility was made because a larger one was no longer needed.
We've been evaluating this and kind of planning our drawdown and phase down to more endemic type operations, right? As we live with this virus. Now that we're trending downward, now that we understand, the nature of transmission, especially within the household, and how quick it is, and also coupled with the data where demand for isolation is extremely low, we've opted to go ahead and make this operational change.
Residents who may need to make use of the ALTFAC can dial the 311 number and choose option 1. Additionally, more cases of the stealth variant have been confirmed to be on Guam. DPHSS has received more virus samples that were sent out to Hawaii for genome sequencing. Out of the 10 virus samples collected from January 31st, 9 were identified as the stealth variant. Daniel Perez reporting for KUAM News.